Let's talk about trading time frames. Very good, right? Very good. So, now you might have heard, oh, you're a trader. So you trade like the 1 minute or the 5 minute, right? And an investor trades, let's say the weekly or the monthly, holds for years, 5 years, 10 years. But a trader, no, no, no. Only 1 minute, only 5 minutes, right? But that's just not true, right? That's not true. You call that a scalper. It's a type of trader, but it's not every single trader, right? Me personally, I trade the 1 hour or the 4 hour mostly, right? You call that swing trading, right? Okay, so let's get into it. 30 minutes and below, possibly a scalper, right? This is the 1 minute, 5 minute, in and out between, like, 2 hours, you're done. 3 hours, maybe. At most a day, honestly. At most. Next, we have the 1 hour to the 4 hour. This is a swing trader, right? Mostly swing. Now, this is my favorite. My personal favorite. Now, why is it my personal favorite? Right? Because if you're a scalper and you trade the very, very low time frames, then there's a high possibility of you to get swept out. That's just how it is. That's the risk, right? High frequency trading, sure. But there's also a bigger chance for you to get stopped out because of how volatile price can be, right? Simple. Now, why is the 1 hour to 4 hour my favorite time frame? Well, it helps you catch the meat of the move, right? While giving you a good entry and good stop loss, right? You don't get stopped out much, and you'll still be able to capitalize on the moves. And the last one is the daily to the 3 day to even the weekly. Now, these are, well, we could say position traders, right? Position traders where they really take quite a long time, 6 months or 3 months to actually play out. Even a year, honestly. Sometimes a year or two. This takes way too long for me. Me personally, I know some traders who are very successful trading these, where they have a very good entry and they hold it forever. Sometimes that's the most profitable for them, but for me, I like this. Some of my trades last a day, some last a week, some last even 2 weeks. But the agenda is the same. We make money, right? The only reason I don't like this is because it's too long and it gives me such a wide stop loss, right? Because at the high time frame, it takes quite a while to play out. So, okay, now you know the time frames. Let's talk about the bread and butter